So hello good people, welcome to our happy very berry farm, and it's a morning here, and we have come very early to ensure that these drips are still contracting, and before they expand, because when the suns come it will expand, and that might make us put the mark in a wrong position. So what we are basically doing, and that is why you can see drips are on the top of mulching paper, we want to put a mark where we will put the hole to plant the strawberry. This is what we normally do. Other people do it their way, but this is what we normally do. We put an X there, another one there, another one there, another one there, throughout this bed. The reason as to why we like doing like this is to ensure that when we are cutting the hole here, we don't injure the drip, because if we injure it, that's a loss to us. It will be drinking a lot of water. So we normally do like this, and then we will disconnect that end and put these drips aside, and then come with a razor blade or something else, and we then put a hole here throughout the whole block. That is what I will show you how we normally do it. When the sun comes, this pipe will expand, the drips will expand, and therefore if we will put a mark when the drips have already expanded, that means it will be a wrong position, because this drip will expand when it is hot, when it is cold, or when the water is going through them, it will have contracted. So there is that thing of shifting the position of the drip. But so that you are supposed to do it either in the morning or when it is cold, because it is obvious that the water that will be going through the drip will always be cold, and therefore will make the pipe contract. As you put these holes, sometimes because the beds might not be evenly, because of what I told you in a previous video that this place is rocky, you try to place them in position, and then when we will be planting the seedlings, we will ensure that they are on this side, the drip is on this side, and the seedlings are here to hold it from going this way. And so we are done with the marking. As you can see, all these marks, we have done it all. Now what we are going to do next is to detach this drip from this end cap, so that we don't injure it when we are putting holes around these marks. And then later we will pass this drip through under the mulching paper, and it will come exactly to this position where the essence is to ensure that the extruder, these holes on drip, are exactly in position where we will plant our seedling. So this is what we are doing. We detach it here. It's just opposite of what we did last time. You just push the green knob like that, and then you pull the drip. You first of all pull it there, then you push the green knob inside, then you pull the drip. It might look like it's a lot of work what we are doing, instead of doing exactly what other farmers do, but I had tried what those farmers do, and I think maybe the people ahead were not familiar with the process. So we really destroyed our drip. So I'll never repeat that again. I would rather do a lot of work, but get it the right way. So we already detached the drips from the end cap on that farthest end, and now what we are doing, what all those guys are doing, is that they are now perforating the mulching paper. We are already done with the trips. Now, in short, my beds are ready. What is remaining is just planting, bringing our seedlings and planting them. We have aligned everything, and it's like now we are finishing doing whatever we are supposed to. So, but the last thing, which is also very important, is ensuring the place is as clean as we found it, and we cannot afford to leave this forest here because this place is weak, and it will be blown out to other land, and it's not ethical to leave the place dirty. Yeah, we are doing it because it is our responsibility, and we believe in a clean environment. So we will correct all of them, not beds all over, and then we will burn them. Then later plan on we will organize, and maybe that will be conducive, and we will plant the strawberry because we don't want them to suffer from transplant shock. And when the sun is hot, transplant shock tend to be more severe. So that is what we will avoid. Otherwise, we could have planted them now. But let's wait until the weather is conducive. I believe this month it won't be that hot. Thank you for being with us and watching this video. And until next time, on the next video.